here we go. Oh shoot, it's not zeroing in for some reason. All right, here we go.
Dan, I need the midterm.
Oh, here.
Well, mid-video, you know, read that one.
Here's a
I
better
can
one.
save it.
Okay, so let's do this. So remember, distance formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared plus x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared. And for me, because I have dyslexia, I like to organize it in what's called flip it, smack it, rub it down, hey, hey. The reason I do that is because it's a song. I can remember that song pretty good, and I found that students could remember the information pretty well. So what we did, we said flip it, and when we say flip it, we mean y over x. Okay? So if we have x and y, then we're going to bring the x's down. So we have negative 8 over negative 3. We have 4 over 3. Okay? Smack it. Smack it means I'm making it negative, top, bottom. Okay? And then rub it down. So rub it down is pretty easy. I have 2 arms, right? 2 arms. I got 2 legs. When I'm riding someone in a wrestling position, I like to leg ride. And when those legs get locked in, they look just like that. Okay? And then I have a head. That's a plus. And then they're all rooted to my body, right? They're all rooted, square root, right? So arms, legs, a head, and a body that's rooted, right? And each one has a color. Blue, red, green. And then I bring it all together. Purple. So minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12 squared, plus minus 3 and minus 3 is minus 6 squared. Okay? And that's simplify. Then we want to simplify it again. Alright? So negative 12 squared is 144. Negative 6 squared is 36. Okay? Again, that's simplify. Alright? And now, what is 36 and 44? So 6 and 44 is 50. 30 and 50 is 80. So it's 180. Is that correct? Okay? You feel me?
Wait, that's
Let's simplify. Now what am I going to do with that 180? I need to break it down. So I got 180. And I'm going to break down 180. So 2 goes into 180. Use all my primes, right? 2, how many times? 9, 0. 2, how many times? 45. 2 doesn't go into 45, but 3 does. 3, 15. 3, 5. 3 doesn't go into 5, but 5 does. 1 time. When you get to 1, you're done, right? Then you pull out all your pairs. I got a pair of 2s. They come out. I got a pair of 3s. They come out. But whatever I don't have a pair of stays in the radical. That's a 5. So what do I have? 3 times 2 times 3, which is 6 square roots of 5. And that's, again, simplification. So this is called the upside down division or prime factorization, right? We're using our primes to factor it down. so that I know I can start pulling out pairs. Because remember, square roots are about perfect pairs, right? So 2 times 2 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. And that's why you're pulling it out. Does that make sense? The 4 times 9 is 36. And what's the square root of 36? 6. Right? So that's what we're doing. We're just pulling out the perfect squares. That's it. Alright? Love ya. Period.
Hey.
Oh, what?